Welcome, Halon Elsa.
In the morning light, their smiles shine. Elsa and her baby, a bond so divine. Through daily play and love so deep, today's a first they'll always keep.
The pool awaits a brand new thrill, a splash of joy, a test of will. Elsa whispers,
Let's dive right in.
together my dear, let's begin. Baby steps into the pool, learnings from the water's cool. With Elsa's hand and love so true, the water's magic comes into view.
Sunscreen packed, swimsuits bright, towels in hand for the day's delight. Elsa hums as she zips the bag. The baby claps, their tails wag.
The pool sparkles under the sun, baby gazes as the day's begun. A tiny splash, a curious stare, adventure's calling in the air. Baby steps into the pool, learnings from the water's cool. With Elsa's hand and love so true, the water's magic comes into view. Little toes touch the water's edge, a moment of pause, a tiny pledge. Elsa guides with her patient cheer.
Don't be afraid, my love, I'm here.
A splash of laughter, a gleeful shout. The baby wiggles and twirls about. Confidence grows with every try, under the warmth of the summer sky.
Safety first, a guiding hand. Together they play, they understand. The water teaches, the heart connects. In every splash their bond reflects. The lessons learned, the joy they share, memories made beyond compare. Elsa and baby, a perfect team, live in a sweet and watery dream. Baby steps into the pool, learning's fun, the water's cool. With Elsa's hand and love so true, the water's magic comes into view. Through love and trust they made us start, a cherished memory, a full and warm heart. With every splash and every grin, Elsa's baby learns to swim.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the videos to help our channel grow even more. Thank you so much.